Pull the paper tray completely out of the machine. Press and slide the paper guides to fit the size of the envelopes. Load up to 10 envelopes with the printing surface face down. Gently adjust the paper guides. Push the paper tray completely into the machine. Pull out the paper support tray and lift the flap. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.